bucket with rain. I better go back. My chair's not going to survive in this. Close that one. Well, the difficulty is they'll cut out if they get too drenched. So you don't want the rain seeping in under the joystick or around the switches. It's very important to keep the electronics dry. Or the chair will basically stop working. It'll dry out eventually, but that might take a day. Okay. So you don't want to break down because of that. It makes you think twice before going out in the rain, unless this is covered. Well, I use plastic bags, which maybe I get from the shop, from the grocery store. Plastic bags, but I find they billow out when the wind gets in. They're not secure around the joystick. It's just nice to know there's something that I can put on and that it will stay on the joystick and do the job. So I know I can go out. If I see it's likely to rain, then I know that I've got the means of protecting it. A lot of gizmos are way too complex, or too expensive. You know, you want the simplest you can get, the most replaceable you can get.
We have it right now magnetized, is that what we're saying, on this side. So all Hazel would have to do is lift it up and flip it over so the magnets stick on the other side.
Yeah, I'm not sure how magnets will work with the electronics of the joystick. I don't think it's a good idea necessarily having magnetic material around a joystick. You wouldn't want to put print magnets on your computer. That's
I like that it'll stay on there. Well.
And it's not like tenting out, so
No.
she really can have like the full movement she needs.
And what we're most worried about is this seam here getting wet. So it would cover that.
I think the idea is that this would be permanently on there. It would look prettier, right? That's what we have been saying. So that you wouldn't have to put it on and off. It would just. Pull back.
Or maybe if there was like a loop here that then just bring back over.
Yeah.
Well, not a drawstring, but maybe even just a circle of elastic you can then just pull over. Elaine, do we have any of those electrical ties here? Yes, we do. Once there's something like that helps. It's finding out a way of holding it down so it doesn't fly off in the wind.
Maybe still consider like a Velcro bit,
maybe,
or something.
Yeah.
Here you go.
I think it's
That's the idea.
Yeah. Because then it's easy to get at. Yeah.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds